In this chapter, we studied Unit 5. Second chapter is numerical solution of simultaneous equation. So here next method is Gauss-Seidal iteration method. Gauss-Seidal iteration method. And for Gauss-Seidal iteration method, this is a modification of Gauss-Jacobi method. Then first upon consider the system of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. Then a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. And then a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Then it is written as x is equal to 1 divided by a1 d1 minus a2x d1 minus b1y minus c1z. These are the first equation. Then y is equal to 1 divided by b2 d2 minus a2x minus c2z. And third equation, z is equal to 1 divided by c3 d3 minus a3x minus b3y. These are the third equation. And start with and we start with initial approximation x0, y0 and z0. And start with initial approximation x0, y0 and z0. Then substituting y0 and z0 in equation first we get x1 is equal to 1 divided by a1 d1 minus b1 y0 minus c1 z0. Then y1 is equal to 1 divided by b2 d2 minus a2 x1 minus c2 z0, and z1 is equal to 1 divided by c3 d3 minus a3 x1 minus b3 y1, and the process is continue till the values of x, y, z are obtained to the desired degree. Obtained to the desired degree. Then the general solution then the general algorithm is as follows. K plus 1 which is equal to 1 divided by a1 d1 minus b1 yk minus c1 zk, and yk plus 1 which is equal to 1 divided by b2 d2 minus a2 yk minus c2 zk, and zk plus 1 which is equal to 1 divided by c3 d3 minus a3 xk plus 1 minus b3 yk plus 1. Then first example of Gauss-Seidal method. Solve the following system of equation by Gauss-Seidal iteration method. Then first 20x plus y minus 2z is equal to 17. Then 3x plus 20y minus z is equal to minus 18. Then 2x minus 3y plus 20z is equal to 25. Then here carry out 3 iterations only. Then first upon given system of equations are 20x plus y minus 2z is equal to 70. Second is 3x plus 20y minus z is equal to minus 80. And third is 2x minus 3y plus 20z is equal to 25. Then here diagonal element 20x, 20y, 20z. So 20 is greater than 1 and 2, 20 is greater than 3 and 1, and 20 is greater than 2 and 3. So this coefficient matrix is the coefficient matrix of the given system is diagonally dominant. So first find out x, y and z. So here find x, y, z from equation first, second and third. First, second and third. So from equation first find out x. Your coefficient of x is 20. So 1 divided by 20, 17 minus y plus 2z, and y is equal to, in equation second, coefficient of y is 20. So 1 divided by 20 minus 18 minus 3x plus z. Then z is equal to, from equation third, coefficient of z is 1 upon 20, 25 minus 2x plus 3y. These are the fourth, 5 and 6 equation. Then here find first iteration, hence for first iteration x0 is equal to 0, y0 is equal to 0 and z0 is equal to 0. Then find out from first equation x1 is equal to 1 divided by 20, 17 minus y plus z2z. Then here y0 and z0, it is similar as Gauss-Seidal method. Then by putting here y0, so y0 is 0 plus 2 into z0 is 0. and which is equal to 17. 0 plus 0 are cancelled. 1 divided by 20. 17 minus 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0. So 0 and 0 cancel, which is equal to 17 divided by 20. And 17 divided by 20 is equal to 17 divided by 20, which is equal to 0.85. So x1, which is 0.85. Then for finding out y1, we find out second coefficient of y is 20 minus 18 minus 3x plus z. Only here change is here x1 and here z0, x1 and z0. Then put out this value 1 divided by 20 minus 18 minus 3 into x1 is 0.85 plus z0 is 0. So find out first this value. Minus 18 minus 3 into 0.85 plus 0 means is equal to minus 2.0 minus minus 20.55 minus 20.55 divided by 20, which is equal to divided by 20 divided by 20, which is equal to minus 1.0275 minus 1.0275. These are the y1. So y1 is equal to minus 1.02875. Then find out z1. z1 from equation 3rd. Coefficient of z is 20. 25 minus 2x plus 3y. Here only change is x1 and y1. So put this value 1 divided by 20. 25 minus 2 into x1 is 0.85 plus 3 into y1 is minus 1.0275. Then first find out this value. 25 minus 2 into 0.85 then here minus sign, minus in bracket, 3 into 1.3 into 1.0275, which is equal to 2.02175. 20.2175 divided by 20. So divided by 20, which is equal to 1.010875. 1.010. Then here 875 means 8 9. So Z1 is equal to 1.0109. So these are the first iteration x1, y1 and z1. Then find out second iteration x1 is 0.85, y1 is minus 1.0275 and z1 is 1.0109. So first upon find out x2, y2 and z2, then find out x2. So x2 from equation first, 1 divided by 20, 17 minus y plus 2z. So here take y1 and z1. First is y1 and z1. Then 1 by 20, 70 minus y1 is minus 1.275 plus 2 into z1 is 1.0109. So first find out this value. 17 and here minus minus plus 1.0275 and 0275 plus in bracket 2 into 1.01, 2 into 1.0109 and which is equal to 20.0493, 20.0493 divided by 20. So divided by 20 which is equal to 1.00246, 1.00246 means 25. Next number लिहायचा 24625. Hence x2 is equal to 1.0025. Then find out y2. So here y2 is equal to from equation second 1 divided by 20 minus 18 minus 3x plus z. So here x2 and here z1. Take 2 येणार and 2 च्या आधी 1, so z1. So, and which is equal to 1 divided by 20 minus 80 minus 3 into x2 is 1.0025 plus z1 is 1.0190 and which is equal to minus 18 minus 3 into 1.0025 plus 1.0109 which is equal to 19 minus 19.9966 minus 19.9966 divided by 20. So divided by 20, which is equal to minus 0.9998 minus 0.9998. So y2 is equal to minus 0.9998. Then find out z2. So z2 from equation third, 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 2x plus 3y. आणि इथे काय ना ही व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट केली मीन्स x2 y2 which is equal to 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 2 into x2 is 1.0025 plus 3 into y2 is minus 0.9998. First find out this value, which is equal to 25 minus 2 into 1.2 into 1.0025 plus here minus minus in bracket 3 into 0.9998 and which is equal to 19.9956 divided by 20 which is equal to 0.9997 0.99 here 0.99978 means 7 च्या नेक्स्ट नंबर द्यायचा 9998. So these are Z2 with 0.9998. Then from this second iteration find out third iteration. Find out third iteration by using x2 is equal to 1.0025, y2 is equal to minus 0.9998 and z2 is equal to 0.9998. Then find out x3 is equal to from equation first 1 divided by 20, 17 minus y plus 2z and here is आधी 3 चा previous number is 2, so z2, so 1 divided by 20, 17 minus y2 is minus 0.9998 plus 2 into z2 0.9998. So first find out this value. 17 minus 17 here minus plus 0.9998 plus in bracket 2 into 0.9998, 0.9998, which is equal to 19.9994. 94 divided by 20, divided by 20, divided by 20, which is equal to 0.9999, 0.999. So x3 is equal to 0.9999. Then find out y3 from equation second. 1 divided by 20 minus 80 minus 3x plus z minus 3x plus z. So here इथे x3 इथे z2 राहणार, z2 and here x3. So find out value 1 by 20 minus 18 minus 3 into x3 is 0.9999 plus z2 is 0.9998. Find out first its value. Minus 18 minus 3 into 0.9999 plus 0.9998, which is equal to minus 19.9999, minus 19.9999 divided by 20. So divided by 20, which is equal to minus 0.999. So minus 0.9999. So y3, which is equal to minus 0.9999. Then find out z3, and which is approximately equal to 1, and these are approximately equal to minus 1, because 9 च्या पुढे 10 येतात, so minus 1. So find out z3, which is equal to 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 2x plus 3y. So here z3, so here x3 and y3. So 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 2 into x3 is 1 and 3 into y3 is minus 1. So which is 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 2 into 1, 2, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So 1 divided by 20, 25 minus 5 is 20. So 20 divided by 20, which is equal to 1. So Z3 is equal to 1. So Z3 is equal to 1. So from this, here we carry out 3 iterations. Hence, after third iteration, approximate solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to -1, and z is equal to 1. So these are the solution. Solution by using Gauss-Seidal method.